Good morning, everybody. It is like 8:30, and I am about to get up so I can get my day started.
Alright, so I'm up and I'm out the house. It is so early, but I have to drive, 30 minutes away just to get the number 2. My gosh. But whatever. Today is the party, so I'm up early getting everything together. I'm on my way to get a Marquise letter. Well, it's a number, like a big number that lights up, basically. It better be worth the 30-minute drive. I know that much. But yeah, so that's where I'm on my way now. Once I get there, I'll show you guys the letter. So that is the number 2. It lights up and everything, but when I get to where I'm going to clean that off. Oh my God. But I had to stop at SA, as you guys can see. I had to give me some gas, and I'm thirsty as hell. So my car is packed the hell out. I am on my way to the venue, but first I need to stop at the UPS store to grab my prints for my chip bags. And then I will drop all this stuff off, and then I have to go to Walmart to get some double-sided tape and some, maybe I can just go to the Dollar Tree. All right, so I am at the venue. So this is what it looks like before. Now we're gonna get this shit together so y'all can see what it look like afterward.